Are you the best fountain waterfalls and table water fountains? Fountain waterfalls and table water fountains are more than just decorative items. They create a serene ambiance, enhance indoor and outdoor spaces, and often serve as functional tools for relaxation and stress relief. With a wide range of options available, choosing the right product can be overwhelming. Homedics Tabletop Water Fountain. The Homedics Tabletop Water Fountain is an affordable and compact option designed for indoor use. Featuring a sleek Asian-inspired three-tier design, it includes natural river rocks and a built-in LED light for added aesthetic appeal. The fountain is powered by a quiet, submersible pump that ensures continuous water circulation, preventing algae buildup. At just 8.25 inches tall, it's ideal for desks, shelves, or bedside tables, offering a tranquil environment for relaxation or meditation. Performance-wise, the Homedics fountain excels in creating a calming soundscape, mimicking the gentle flow of a spring. The lightweight plastic construction makes it easy to move. Product new, Glenwood Water Pump Cascading Water Fountain. The Glenwood Water Pump Cascading Water Fountain is a premium outdoor option that combines a rustic aesthetic with robust functionality. Made of polyresin and fiberglass, this durable fountain features a cascading water design powered by a high-speed pump capable of circulating 450 gallons per hour. At 30.3 inches tall, it makes a bold statement in any garden or patio, and its weather-resistant construction ensures longevity. This fountain delivers an impressive performance with a steady and soothing water flow that creates a relaxing ambiance. The 75-inch cord offers flexible product B. Alpine Corporation MAZ254 Outdoor Floor. The Alpine Corporation MAZ254 fountain offers a vintage aesthetic with 6 hanging cups that create a tiered waterfall effect. Crafted from rust-resistant iron with a bronze and green finish, this model is both stylish and durable. Standing at 38 inches tall, it's perfect for outdoor use and features an interior pump for continuous water circulation. The cascading water flow is particularly soothing, making this fountain ideal for creating a peaceful ambiance in gardens or patios. While the iron construction ensures durability, the lightweight design, 4.88 pounds, makes it easy to move and reposition. However, the cup's product number, Indoor Fountain Waterfall Tabletop Elegant. The Indoor Fountain Waterfall by MCO and WXI is a versatile tabletop model that combines a 3-tier rock design with a DIY planting pot feature. Made from resin, it includes a built-in LED light for ambiance and a cotton thread basin for maintaining soil moisture. Compact and lightweight, it's suitable for desks, shelves, or small spaces. This fountain stands out for its DIY planting feature, allowing users to customize their decor with succulents or herbs. The LED light adds a cozy touch, though it's not adjustable. While the resin material is durable, it may not match the aesthetic appeal of higher-end models. Ideal for Product 5. Generic Waterfall Pendulum with Light Small. The generic Waterfall Pendulum Fountain is the budget option in this comparison, offering a handcrafted design with metallic blue and green hues. Its compact size, 9.4 inches tall, and lightweight construction make it suitable for small spaces. Powered by a corded electric source, this fountain adds a touch of artistry to any room. Despite its low price, this fountain provides a decent user experience, with an eye-catching design that appeals to those with eclectic tastes. However, the metal construction may be prone to rust over time, and the water flow is less robust compared to higher-end models.